Healthy silicone bowls, warning. Yes, many of you said, Dr. Pompa, you have to do this video because many of us are buying these silicone bowls so our children aren't eating out of plastic, but there is a huge warning. Because of how nice and pliable they are, they're getting stuck on the faces of children and causing suffocation. Okay, I saw that and I said, yeah, this should be a warning. Listen, many other healthy alternatives right now, I agree, we don't want to eat out of plastic, especially hot foods, but the fact is these silicone bowls, they're too pliable, yes, and it could run a risk. Spread the video. People need to know this.